Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're dreaming of a California adventure, you're in for a treat. California, the Golden State, has something for everyone. From stunning natural landscapes to bustling cities and laid-back beach vibes, buckle up, because I'm taking you on a virtual tour of the top spots to visit in California. First stop, San Francisco. You can't miss the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. It's a must-see landmark known worldwide. Feeling a bit adventurous? Head over to Alcatraz Island. Once a notorious prison, it's now a fascinating tourist attraction. And don't forget to swing by Fisherman's Wharf for some delicious seafood, sea lions, and breathtaking views of Alcatraz. Next up, Los Angeles, the heart of the film and entertainment industry. Walk among the stars in Hollywood and maybe even spot a celebrity or two. For that classic California beach experience, hit Santa Monica Pier with its fun amusement park. And for the best views of the city and the Hollywood sign, Griffith Observatory is the place to be. San Diego is calling, and it's got a lot to offer. Balboa Park is a cultural oasis with museums, gardens, and the famous San Diego Zoo. La Jolla Cove is perfect for a picturesque coastline and marine life. And when the sun sets, the historic Gaslamp Quarter lights up with vibrant nightlife and dining. Nature lovers, Yosemite National Park is your paradise. Yosemite Valley is renowned for its dramatic granite cliffs, waterfalls, and giant sequoias. Half Dome and El Capitan are iconic spots for rock climbing and photography. And for panoramic views of the valley, Glacier Point is simply breathtaking. Wine enthusiasts, Napa Valley awaits. This wine country is famous for its vineyards, wine tasting tours, and gourmet dining. Take a hot air balloon ride for a unique view of the vineyards from above. And don't miss Calistoga, known for its relaxing hot springs and spas. Driving along the Pacific Coast Highway in Big Sur should be on everyone's bucket list. It's one of the most scenic drives in the world. Stop by Bixby Creek Bridge for a perfect photo op along the rugged coastline. And make sure to visit Pfeiffer Beach, known for its unique purple sand and dramatic rock formations. Last but definitely not least, Lake Tahoe. In winter, it's a top destination for skiing and snowboarding. In summer, enjoy hiking and boating in its clear waters with stunning mountain views. Emerald Bay State Park offers some of the most spectacular vistas and houses the historic Vikingsholm Mansion. California offers endless opportunities for adventure, whether you're exploring its national parks, soaking up the sun on its beaches, or enjoying its vibrant cities. There's something here for everyone. So, which spot in California are you most excited to visit? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this California dreaming journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration. Thanks for joining me on this journey through California's hidden gems and must-see spots. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Historic Horizons Travel for more adventures and discoveries. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. That should help encourage your viewers to engage with your content. Until next time, happy travels!